Most investors are looking at the wrong stocks. Some of the biggest market winners start as forgotten companies. Right now, 5 undervalued stocks are flying under the radar, but analysts are starting to pay attention. Today, we're breaking down 5 undervalued companies that smart money is quietly betting on. One of these could 10 times if you get in before everyone else. Block, Inc., known by its ticker XYZ, operates a dual-sided ecosystem that's deeply embedded in both consumer and merchant financial lives. On the consumer side, Cash App has become a powerhouse, offering peer-to-peer payments, direct deposit, investing, and even Bitcoin. For merchants, the Square ecosystem provides point-of-sale systems, payroll, and business management tools. This integrated approach gives them a unique competitive advantage. Recently, Block delivered a Q1 2026 earnings report that, while mixed on the surface, showed undeniable strengths. Adjusted EPS came in at 85 cents, beating analyst consensus by a significant 25%. More impressively, gross profit surged 27% year-over-year to $2.91 billion, with Cash App leading the charge, posting 38% year-over-year gross profit growth. They've also raised their full-year outlook, now expecting around 19% gross profit growth and a staggering 62% adjusted diluted EPS growth to $3.85. This has caught the eye of analysts, with many maintaining buy ratings and price targets suggesting roughly 30% upside from current levels. The company's market cap currently stands at $42.04 billion, with revenues touching $24.47 billion. Their gross profit margin is holding strong at 45.1%. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Block incurred substantial restructuring and legal charges, impacting generally accepted accounting principles profitability. They are also under significant regulatory scrutiny, which adds a layer of risk. The stock carries a high beta of 2.57, signaling volatility, and some technical indicators are flashing sell signals. Management is betting heavily on AI integration to drive efficiency, which presents both an opportunity and an execution risk. Despite these headwinds, the company's financial position remains solid, and with over 40 analysts rating it a buy, Block presents a compelling growth story tempered by clear challenges. Bill.com, ticker BILL, has established itself as a leader in cloud-based financial operations for small and medium-sized businesses. Their platform simplifies accounts payable, accounts receivable, and spend management, making it easier for businesses to manage their cash flow. In their Q3 FY 2026 earnings, Bill delivered impressive results. They reported an EPS of 68 cents, beating forecasts by over 23%, and revenue of $406.6 million, a 13.5% year-over-year increase. Crucially, they achieved generally accepted accounting principles profitability for the first time, a significant milestone, with their non-generally accepted accounting principles operating margin expanding to 20%. The company processed a massive $89 billion in payment volume, serving nearly 500,000 businesses. What's truly exciting is their strategic shift towards AI. Bill has successfully deployed AI agents to over 100,000 customers, automating millions of invoices. To accelerate this AI-native transformation, they've announced significant workforce reductions, expected to generate substantial savings, and a new $1 billion share repurchase program, underscoring management's confidence. Despite trading near 52-week lows, analysts maintain a positive outlook with a median price target suggesting around 38% upside potential. Their non-generally accepted accounting principles gross margins are a remarkable 83.7%, and they boast strong cash generation. While macroeconomic headwinds impacting SMB spending and AI disruption are concerns, the company's commitment to innovation, including its new AI-powered spend and expense product, Bill Travel, positions it well. With core revenue growth projected to continue in the high teens, Bill.com offers a compelling blend of current financial health and future technological promise. Magnite Inc., trading under MGNI, is the world's largest independent sell-side advertising platform. In simpler terms, they help publishers like streaming services and news websites sell their ad space efficiently. Their dominance in the connected TV, or CTV, market is undeniable. In Q1 2026, Magnite delivered excellent results, beating both EPS and revenue expectations. CTV contribution, XTAC, a key metric, surged 30% year-over-year, now representing over half of their total revenue. They swung from a net loss to a net income of $4 million, and adjusted EBITDA grew 16%, with margins expanding to 27%. Management has raised full-year guidance, targeting at least 35.5% adjusted EBITDA margins. Magnite benefits from strategic partnerships with major players like Netflix, Roku, and LG, and their SpringServe technology acts as the operating system for CTV monetization. They are also actively integrating AI to enhance their platform. While there have been some challenges like a declining DV+ segment and macroeconomic pressures, the company is showing strong traction in areas like live sports and commerce media. The stock currently trades around $13.39, with analysts projecting an impressive 63% upside potential based on a consensus price target of $22.21. With forward PE ratios suggesting attractive valuation for a company growing its core CTV revenue at such a high rate, Magnite represents a compelling play on the future of digital advertising, especially as they navigate leadership transitions and potential benefits from industry-wide ad tech reforms. Zoetis Inc., ticker ZTS, stands as the undisputed leader in the global animal health market. Their comprehensive portfolio includes pharmaceuticals, vaccines, and diagnostic solutions for both companion animals and livestock, serving markets in over 100 countries. Recently, Zoetis faced significant challenges, with Q1 2026 results showing revenue meeting expectations but EPS missing forecasts, triggering a dramatic stock decline, pushing it near its 52-week lows. This was attributed to a confluence of factors: increased price sensitivity from pet owners, heightened competition in key categories like dermatology and parasiticides, and a lack of market expansion to offset these pressures. U.S. companion animal revenue saw an 11% decline. However, international operations remained resilient with 10% growth, and livestock delivered robust 12% growth. For the full year, Zoetis has lowered guidance but is implementing cost-saving programs. The stock is currently trading around $77.72, and while it's experienced a significant year-to-date decline of over 50%, analysts see substantial upside potential, with many price targets suggesting over 50% return from current levels. Their gross margins remain exceptionally strong at 71.8%, and they maintain industry-leading positions with a promising pipeline of future products. Despite near-term pressures and competitive challenges, Zoetis's diversified portfolio, strong profitability, and consistent dividend growth provide a solid foundation. The current valuation offers a compelling entry point for investors willing to look past the short-term headwinds and focus on the long-term resilience and innovation within the essential animal health sector. Fidelity National Information Services, ticker FIS, is a powerhouse in the financial technology landscape, serving thousands of financial institutions globally. They offer a comprehensive suite of solutions, including core banking, payments, and capital markets technology. Their Q1 2026 earnings report was surprisingly strong, beating both EPS and revenue expectations. Pro forma revenue grew robustly, adjusted EBITDA margins expanded significantly, and free cash flow more than doubled. Key growth drivers include their money movement hub, lending, and digital platforms, all showing impressive year-over-year increases. Recurring ACV also surged, signaling strong commercial traction. However, the stock has seen a substantial decline, trading near its 52-week low, primarily due to concerns over high leverage and debt levels, alongside a significant number of negative EPS revisions in recent months. Despite these concerns, the current stock price of $43.37 trades at a steep discount to its fair value, with a forward PE ratio of just 8.4 times. FIS is making bold moves into AI, partnering with Anthropic to develop financial crimes investigation agents and launching innovative platforms like Project Keystone. Management has reiterated full-year guidance for solid revenue, adjusted EPS, and free cash flow growth. While challenges like softness in capital markets revenue and macroeconomic volatility persist, the strategic repositioning, coupled with a strong focus on innovation and AI integration, presents a compelling turnaround story. The company offers a substantial dividend yield of 4.1%, and with strong insider buying activity noted, FIS appears to be a deeply undervalued opportunity for those willing to navigate its complexities. Each of these companies offers a unique value proposition, but all share the common thread of being undervalued by the market. presenting a potential upside before the broader investment community takes notice. Now let's take a quick look at the numbers side by side, and you'll see why these 5 companies are on our undervalued watch list. Starting with market capitalization, Block Inc. at $42.04 billion and Fidelity National Information Services at $22.42 billion are the largest players, offering stability within this group. Magnite Inc. at $1.92 billion and Bill.com at $3.84 billion represent mid to small cap opportunities with potentially higher growth ceilings. Zoetis Inc., despite its recent stock troubles, remains a substantial $32.58 billion company, underscoring its market leadership in animal health. Revenue figures show FIS leading the pack with $11.44 billion, followed by Block Inc.'s $24.47 billion. Zoetis also commands significant revenue at $9.53 billion, indicating its scale. Magnite's revenue of $722.6 million and Bill.com's $1.6 billion highlight their focused market positions. Profitability is where things get particularly interesting. Gross margins are exceptionally strong across the board. Bill.com leads with an outstanding 83.7%, followed by Magnite at 63.4% and Zoetis at a robust 71.8%. Block Inc. maintains a healthy 45.1% margin, while FIS, operating in a more service-intensive sector, posts 36.3%. Earnings per share paints a varied picture. Zoetis shows a strong $6.11 EPS, and FIS reports $5.14, reflecting their mature profitability. Block Inc. stands at $1.33 and Magnite at $1.11. Bill.com's EPS is not readily available, but its projected EPS growth forecast is astronomical at over 4,000%, indicating its early-stage high-growth potential despite a very high PE ratio. Upside potential is significant for all, ranging from 31.5% for Block Inc. to a massive 61.2% for FIS, with Magnite at 40.1% and Bill.com at 38.4%. Zoetis, despite its recent struggles, still shows a projected upside of 57.7% based on analyst targets. Dividend yields are notable for Zoetis at 2.7% and FIS at 4.1%, offering income alongside potential capital appreciation. Bill.com and Magnite do not currently offer dividends, typical for companies prioritizing reinvestment for growth. The one-year changes show significant volatility, with Zoetis and FIS experiencing considerable declines, while Block Inc. has seen positive returns, and Bill.com and Magnite have seen negative changes, all contributing to their undervalued status and potential for recovery and upside. So, which of these 5 undervalued stocks are you most excited about adding to your watch list? Let me know your thoughts, your own top undervalued picks, or any questions you have in the comment section below. I read every single one. And don't miss our next video, 3 oversold stocks to invest in for serious upside.